Hi, today I want to show you how to put on a head wrap. You know, the Erica Badu one, the really tall one. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So today, so I'm going to just put my hair in a bun. If you do not have long hair like this, that's fine. I'm going to put it up in a bun. Any kind of bun is fine. And I have here, I have like a yard of fabric. Okay. I'll just show you. See? It's just a yard of fabric. So what I did is I folded in a triangle. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it again. I'm going to fold it again like this. Okay. And now I'm going to wrap my hair from here. And then I'm going to knot it. Let's try this again. You take these two ends and you knot it as tight as you can. You can knot it twice. Okay. Now you can either twist it. You can twist it or you can leave it. It's up to you. How you want, what kind of look you're trying to achieve here. And then you make a little fold here. And then you tuck it. Okay. Now this piece up here, just gonna take it and fold it over. And then shape it, you know, so you could get the shape that you want to achieve here. So that's pretty much it. Just fold it. And you see the fold that you folded is just to give you a good spacing. You can either put pins here, you know, everybody do theirs different. But thank you. All right, bye.